So good morning to all of you. Let us continue with our exercise 6.5. So here I would like to start with question number 9 up to 8 already I have solved for you. So question 9 is a ladder 10 meter long reaches a window 8 meter above the ground. Find the distance of the foot of the ladder from the base of the wall. So now ground, window, somewhere here you can see, so this is the ground, this is the window, so window will be fit, there is a wall which is definitely standing with respect to the ground at an angle of 90 degree and the ladder reaches here somewhere. So this is the case which you need to go through and then draw the figure, how it comes in right triangle, that is there is ladder's length is given to you, that is 10 meter, so you can mark that, and window 8 meter around the ground, so this is 8 meters, suppose this is A, this is B and this is C, so you have to calculate BC comfortably. All of you can solve that by applying AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square, so this will make BC square is equal to AC square minus AB square. Then you substitute the value of this 10 square minus 8 square. This is 100 minus 64. Giving value is equal to 36. So this makes BC is equal to 36 under the root plus minus 6, but the length can never be negative. So therefore BC is equal to 6 meter. You can write the answer. So just a 1 or 2 mark question, you can make a note of that, not that much difficult. Question 10. A guy wire attached to a vertical pole of height 18 meter is 24 meter long and has a stake attached to the other end. How far from the base of the pole should the stake be driven so that the wire will be taut? So now this is a case taken somewhere from physics point of view. A guy wire means we are talking about some metallic wire. There is a ground, a pole is standing, and this is the position of the wire in that. And stake means we can move. There are some tire and there which you can roll here on the ground just to tighten this wire because of your winters and summer. Thermal expansion and extraction is taking place, so that procedure is kept over there. So practically I need to check vertical pole. This is AB again I am taking, and from B to C I have removed. This was the initial position I have taken. Just to tighten this wire, I reached at C, and then the question is, guy wire attached to a vertical pole of height 18 meter. So this AB is the pole of height 18 meter. And 24 meter long. So length of the wire is given 24, so it will remain 24, whether in this position or in this position, that will never get changed. So just to keep this wire tight with respect to the pole, stake is driven so that wire will be taut. You need to find how far from the foot of the pole this was driven to keep it tight. Again the question is BC square. Again you write by applying the Pythagoras theorem. BC square is equal to what? AC square minus AB square. So AB you know is 24, here it is 18 square. 24 you know is 576, here it is 324. And then it is 252. 252, you can check the prime factor of 252 here. So here it comes 4 into 63. So BC is equal to 4 into 63. So 63 is not a perfect square. So here 2 root 63 meter, you can read the answer there. Or it can be there in MCQ type question also. In that way also you can answer the same in terms of this. So otherwise, sorry, you can go ahead also. 21s are and then 3 7s are. So 2 into 3 means ki 4 into 9 is there. So 4 into 9 means it will make 2 into 3 6 and we will remain here with root 7. So 6 root 7 meter is the distance from here to where it was covered to keep the wire tight. Then number 11. So in number 11, read the problem. This is an aeroplane leaves an airport and flies due north at a speed of 1000 km per hour. So you draw the directions first. This is your east, this is your west here, this is north, and this is south. Mark the all 4 directions. Suppose this is the point from where the plane is taking off in different 4 directions, and O is the point I have considered over there. So now an aeroplane leaves an airport and flies due north at a speed of 1000 km per hour. At the same time, another aeroplane leaves the same airport and flies due west. So one direction I have to take is north and another I have to take is west. The speeds are different, and how far apart will be the 2 planes after 1.5 hours? So when the plane is taking off to this direction, suppose it reaches here at A, and to the west, suppose it reaches here at B after journey of 1.5 hours. So time here is 1.5 hours taken from O to A, and from O to B also 1.5 hours is the time that is given. It reaches at B in west direction and in north it reaches at A. Speeds are given to you. So speeds are towards north it is 1000 and towards west it is 1200 km per hour. You mentioned that also where it is 1000 km per hour. Now what is the distance after 1.5 hours between A and B? Means I have to calculate this. So these are the lines of axis. Now you can see here on the plane I have drawn over there these 4 directions, and then this angle I can take as of 90 degree. Now this distance is OB, this distance is OA. Distance you know is equal to speed into time. So here it comes 1000 into 3 by 2. So 500s are, it becomes 1500 kilometers. And here if you calculate, so this will be 1200, 3 by 2, and 600 into 3, this becomes 1800 kilometers. So now again you need to calculate the distance between the two. So time is given, speed is given in this direction. Time is given, speed is given in this direction also. Distance you need to use always in case of distance and time. So distance is the speed into time. Distance is the speed into time. In that way you will be able to get the length of OA as well as of OB. So go for those lengths, and then in triangle. Now you need to calculate the distance between A and B. How far the planes are there after 1.5 hours. So what is the distance between A and B? So in triangle OAB, you can apply AB square is equal to OB square plus OA square. So AB I need to calculate. OB is 1800 square plus this is 1500 square. So you know square of 1800 is 3, 2, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros will be there, 225 again, 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros will be there. Take the square root of this, that will give you AB, and from the calculations point of view, 10,000 into 10,000 you can take common, which is a perfect square. inside the bracket 324 plus 225 will give you 549 under the root. Now 549 simultaneously you can check. So further 10,000 into 9 into 61 under the root. For 10,000 it will be 100. For 9 the square is 3 and 61 will remain inside the square root. So finally your answer will be 300 root 61 kilometer. So answer for this will become 300 root 61 kilometer will be the distance after 1.5 hours between the two plates, that is A and B are the positions I have marked over there. So that is the solution for your question number 11. Now let us take question number 12. I am speaking from exercise 6.5 NCERT. This was your question number 11. Now 12. Question number 12 is two poles of height 6 and 11 stand on a plain ground. If the distance between the feet of the poles is 12 meters, find the distance between their tops. Fine. One is 6 meters, one is in height equal to 11 meters. Definitely poles will be there with respect to 90 degree. So this is your AB and this is your CD. This is 6 meters. This is 11 meters. Distance between their feet is given is equal to 12 meters. And the distance between their tops AC I need to calculate. So this is the situation after going through the problem I have to draw, but do not forget that we are there in the application of our Pythagoras theorem, for which we need the right triangle. So you need to go for construction here. Do that construction. Draw this CE perpendicular to AB. Draw CE perpendicular AB such that, now what happens? Suppose I am marking here E. CEBD is a rectangle. CEBD is a rectangle. Why did I call rectangle? Because all the four vertices angle I am getting 90 degrees. This can be a parallelogram also. So a parallelogram with vertex angle of 90 degrees is always a rectangle. So that's why I called rectangle. Now what I need to prove is, here you see this is 6 from here to here. So in my solution to this problem, first of all I write CE is equal to DB. CE is equal to DB. So here this is given 12, so here this is equal to 12. So therefore CE is equal to 12. Then this whole was 11. But out of this again, your this CD will be equal to EB. CD is equal to EB. So that was 6. 6 is equal to EB. So from E to B, if it is 6, so this implies AE is equal to 11 minus 6, so it becomes 5. 5 meters. So this is 5 meters. A to E. A to E you will be getting is 5 meters. So 5 plus 6 will make it 11. And the properties I have used, opposite sides of the rectangle are equal. So now you need to study this triangle CAE, in which CE is 12, AE is 5. So in triangle CAE, your AC square will be equal to 12 square plus 5 square. And you know that is 144 plus 25 is 169. So therefore if you calculate AC 169 under the root plus minus 13, so finally you will be getting is equal to 13 meter as your answer. So means ki how we have to come back to the right triangle by doing the construction and by following the conditions given in our problem. Definitely you will be reaching there in some right triangle to apply the Pythagoras. So question was the distance between the feet of the poles was given. On behalf of that I have to calculate the distance between their tops. So that is the solution for your question number 12. So I did today 10, 11, question number 9, 10, 11 and 12. So one more I will pick, that is number 13, and 5 question solution is there. So question number 13, let us see. I think that much solution is enough for today. So let us see what is there in question number 13. It is D and E are the points on the sides CA and CB respectively of a triangle ABC right angle at C. So you draw the triangle right angle at C. It is A and here it is B. So D and E are the points given to you on CA. CA, B point and E point is on CB. I am taking like that. Prove that AE square, to prove AE square, okay, is equal to, let me see, D and E, this is D and E are the points, D and E are the points on the side CA. D is point on CA, E is the point on E is the point on CB. So sorry, E is the point given on CB, not on AB. So mark that like that only. Now you need to prove AE square. AE square is equal to AE square plus BD square. AE square plus BD square is equal to, that is AB square plus DE square. AB square plus DE square. Let us see how we will get that. So I will pick one of the sides. So I am taking the left hand side. So I will join AE first. Join AE and see the triangle AEC. So in triangle AEC, now I can apply the Pythagoras. AE square I will be writing is equal to EC square plus AC square. EC square plus AC square, and reason you can write the Pythagoras theorem. AE square is equal to EC square plus AC square. Keep on writing the results, whatever do I need there. Then BD. BD means join BD. Now join BD and study the triangle BDC. Again you can see a right triangle. In right triangle BDC, if you apply the Pythagoras, it becomes BD square is equal to what? BC square plus BC square. BC square plus BC square. Again the reason you can use Pythagoras theorem. You are looking for AE square plus BD square. So give it number 1, give it number 2 and add 1 and 2. Add 1 and 2. So you will be getting in left hand side AE square plus BD square. What do you need there? AE square plus BD square. In right hand side you are getting EC square plus BC square. EC square plus BC square and AC square plus DC square. AC square plus DC square. But you want AB square. So you study this figure. So in right triangle ABC, if you see AB square I am getting is equal to AC square plus BC square, which is the part of your this result. You can see here this is AC square plus BC square. So you just add this together, AC square plus BC square, and then DC square plus EC square. This is DC and this is EC. So if I join D with E, so I will be getting DC and EC is equal to DE square, which you need there. So plus DC square plus EC square. So this is equal to what? What do I need? AB square from right triangle ABC. My AC square plus BC square. AB square will be equal to AC square plus BC square. So I will replace this by AB square. And DC square plus EC square. You can join D with E. So then you will be getting DC square and EC square. You need DE. So that is the hypotenuse plus DE square. So reason you can write by applying Pythagoras in triangle ABC and triangle DEC. Hence, your AE square plus BD square will be equal to AB square plus DE square, which you need to prove. So that is the solution for your question number 13, exercise 6.5 NCERT. So today 9 to 13, 5 question solutions are given to you. So you please make a note of that through this video lecture. You can go through the solution of these 5 questions. Still any difficulty left anywhere, you are most welcome with your queries. So till then, bye bye, have a nice time. Thank you.